Tornado emergency for Peoria. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Peoria County in central Illinois, northern Tazewell County in central Illinois, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Peoria, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Peoria. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include a deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Peoria County and northern Tazewell County. This is an extremely dangerous tornado with complete devastation likely. You could be killed if not underground or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room of the lowest level of a structure, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no shelter from this tornado.